How to redeem Qatar Airways miles. Redeeming Qatar Airways miles, now known as Avios, can be done through several rewarding options, and then they go thus. First step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account, just like I have done here. Ensure you have joined the Privilege Club if you haven't, because you can only do this by joining the Privilege Club. And then once you're on the club and you're brought to the home page, you can see several options. You can see book a flight, Qatar stopover, manage your check-in, flight status, etc. Now, the first step of redeeming your Qatar Airways is by getting award flight. Okay, so the first way of redeeming your Qatar Airways miles is by using your Avios to book flight with Qatar Airways. And how do you do this? Now, under the book a flight tab, you can see options like return, you can see one way, multi city, and then you can see book and award flight. All right, so just tick it this way. Now, once you tick it, and then go ahead and search flight. Your Avios will be used as a payment for this particular flight. And then after using Avios as a payment, you gain a chance of redeeming your Qatar Airway miles. Alright. Now another way is by upgrading. Okay, by upgrading your flight. And then you can redeem Avios for upgrades, or you can redeem your miles for upgrades to higher cabin class on eligible flight. And through this, by upgrading your account using Avios, you are also redeeming your Avios. And then also you can also redeem your Qatar Airways miles by paying for extra baggage allowances on your flights using your Avios. Okay, these are the various ways you can redeem your Qatar Airways Avios. And then you can also use it for shopping and dining. You can spend it. And then how can you spend it? Okay, let's go back. Once you go back to the Qatar Airways page, and you wait for it to load. The next step here is to go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, click on your dashboard, and then once you're on your dashboard page, you can see your Avios balance, and then by the left side of the screen, you can see three horizontal dashes. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see options like claim your Avios, spend my Avios. So you can also spend your Avios as a means of redeeming it. Once you click on spend my Avios, you will see different things that you can spend it on. You can also use your Avios for hotel bookings and car rentals. Alright, so this is basically how you can do it. These are the various ways you can redeem your Qatar Airways miles or Avios on the site. So thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.